Hello, I've just received this from Terahertzwands.co.uk. Let's open it up and take a look inside. So inside we've got our Terahertz wand, which comes in these two pieces here. We've also got a user manual and we've got a carry case. The nose attachment is really easy to connect. You just pop it into the top, twist it until it clicks, and that's ready to use. The Terahertz wand can be used to enhance your overall immune system, and it does that by using small doses of infrared and heat to vibrate your cells and make them more resilient so that they can attack bad cells, negative ions and free radicals. It can be used for detoxification, and it can treat things like muscle and tissue pain, blood viscosity, headaches and much more. You can treat lots of different areas with this one device. For example, you can treat the tonsils by pointing it at a 75-degree angle under the chin, like so. And you can treat the tonsils by using it 5 minutes daily. You can treat the lymph nodes by pointing it under the armpit for 5 minutes on each side daily. You can treat the thymus, the spleen, the appendix, and so much more. And you can find more information about all of the different techniques, and you can find more information about all the different techniques on the website Terahertzwands.co.uk. You'll also find more information about the proven benefits of this product. So that is the Terahertz wand, and you can get yours from Terahertzwands.co.uk.